In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a report in Zoho Creator. If you've ever found yourself needing to create a similar report without starting completely from scratch, this tutorial is just for you. Duplicating a report can save you a significant amount of time, allowing you to retain the structure and format of your original report, while giving you the flexibility to tweak the content to fit your new needs. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Zoho Creator account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the dashboard, where you'll see several tabs like Applications, Microservices, Environments, and more. You'll want to navigate to the Applications tab, because this is where your reports and other resources are stored. Find and click on the specific application that contains the report you wish to duplicate. After you've made your way into the correct application, locate the Reports section. This section will host all the reports currently created within this particular application. Scroll through your list of reports until you find the one you'd like to duplicate. Once you've pinpointed the right report, hover over it, and you should see a set of options unfold. Among these, look for an option that allows you to duplicate or clone the report. This is typically labeled as Clone, Duplicate, or something similar. Click on the cloning option. At this stage, Zoho Creator may prompt you to provide a new name for your duplicated report. Naming your duplicate report is important not only for organization purposes, but also to ensure there's no confusion in the future. Try to choose a name that is descriptive yet concise, perhaps indicating the changes or the purpose of the new report. Once you've entered a name, the duplication process will continue, creating a copy with the same structure and settings as your original report. Now that you have your duplicate, you can go ahead and make any necessary edits or modifications. You might want to update the data source, adjust any filters or sorting criteria, or simply change the layout to better suit the new purpose. This is your chance to customize the report to perfectly fit your current requirements without disrupting your original. Before wrapping up, it's wise to examine the new report thoroughly. Run a few test queries, check the formatting, and ensure that all the data is being pulled correctly. Any discrepancies can usually be cleared up by reviewing your data sources and configurations. Remember, the key advantage of duplicating a report is the consistency it provides while allowing room for adaptation. So there you have it. Duplicating a report in Zoho Creator is a simple yet powerful feature that can streamline your workflow efficiently. Now, you can focus more on refining the content and insights of your reports rather than starting from scratch every time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you dive deeper into using Zoho Creator. If you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out.